ternary operator return true instead the given value? I'm using ternary operator for short conditional variable definition. I was wondering when the expression returned true instead given in the expression value. Explain to me please, how this happens? What is the logical difference between a ternary operator and regular conditional expression in Python?
Int digits equals 123,456, which is a true-ish value. So conv_d equals digits not equal none. Since digits is not none, conv_d is set to true. You probably wanted this. Remember that a string containing something not a number will raise an exception though. If you prefer 0 or none for those values, write a small function.
The Python conditional operator is not in the same order as in other languages. And you should never compare equality with none unless you're certain that you need to.
Notice how the keywords are placed. X if y else z. Y is the part that follows if, so it is the condition. X if y is a perfectly valid, though less common, English construction meaning the same thing as if y, x, thus x is the expression evaluated when y is satisfied. Z is the expression evaluated when y is not satisfied, similarly.
Alternatives to ternary operators. Conv_d equals digits not equal none and int digits or none # short-circuiting. Just wrong in this context as it doesn't work for digits equals 0. Please see comments below. Or conv_d equals int digits if digits is not none else none. The second expression is clearer, hence preferred.
Ternary